Sometimes all you need is something sweet and freshly baked, but without any weight or effort. This Choco Chips Vanilla Mug Cake is perfect for those cravings. Soft, moist, full of flavor, and ready in just 5 minutes in the microwave. So let's start with a microwave safe mug. First, I'm adding 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, that is maida. Next, add 2 tablespoons of sugar. This amount works perfectly for me, but feel free to adjust to your taste up to 2.5 to 3 tablespoons if you like it a bit sweeter. Now add half a teaspoon of baking powder, which will make the cake light and fluffy, and a pinch of salt to enhance the flavor. Now add 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Just make sure the butter is slightly cooled down. Now give it a quick mix. Then pour in 3 tablespoons of milk. So here you should make sure that the milk should be at the room temperature. Now add half a teaspoon of vanilla essence for a lovely subtle vanilla flavor. Mix everything well until the batter is smooth and thick. Make sure there are no lumps, but there is no need to overmix. Now for the best part, chocolate chips. I am adding 1 tablespoon of chocolate chips. You can always add more if you like. You can even fold some into the batter and sprinkle the rest on the top. That way when it bakes, the melted chips will be visible on the top and it looks beautiful. Now pop in the mug in the microwave and set it to high power for 1.5 minutes. Depending on your microwave wattage, it might need 10 to 15 seconds extra or less. Just be careful not to overcook it or the cake will turn dry. So let's count down together now. 3, 2, 1, and it's done. Look at that golden brown top. The cake is perfectly risen. Check out the texture. It's soft, spongy, and moist. And the chocolate chips have melted, making it extra fudgy and delicious. Now take a spoonful and feel that softness. It's like fresh bakery goodness in every bite. So next time you have a quick dessert craving, make sure to try this Choco Chips Vanilla Mug Cake, ready in just 5 minutes, and every bite is full of flavor.